This channel regularly earns millions of dollars just by producing children's education and development videos. No camera, no face, just AI. In this video, I'm showing you how to make these videos in the highest quality and easiest way, and I'm also giving you the free prompt. But first, let's go to ChatGPT. I prepared a high-quality master prompt especially for you for this content. This master prompt was carefully crafted down to the visual style and video details of this content. And it was also set up with a system that makes you review the details before producing the video prompts. All you need to do is write the topic of the video you want to produce and how many scenes you want in the topic section at the very bottom. After sending our message, our prompts will reach us. To access this high-quality prompt, you can join our Telegram group for free via the link in the video's description and find all the prompts in the Master Prompts room. After ChatGPT gives us our prompts, we first copy our first image prompt to create the first image scene we will produce and go to the OpenArt website. After arriving at the OpenArt website, we click on the Create Image tool from the menu on the left side, and in the Image Production panel, we first click on the Model section at the top and select Nano Banana 2 as our model, then paste the image prompt we just copied into the Prompt section in the panel. Finally, we set our output settings to 9:16 vertical format and 1K image resolution. Click the Generate button and create our first scene image. The generated image will look like this. We check it and save it, then move on to the video production stage. After obtaining our image, we go back to ChatGPT, and this time copy our scene-to-video conversion prompt and return to the OpenArt website again. On the OpenArt website, we click on the Frame to Video tool in the side menu again, and in the panel that opens, we first select Google Veo 3.1 as our video production model. After selecting the model, we drag and drop the first scene image we produced into the Start Frame section in the panel and paste the video prompt we just copied into the Prompt section right below. Finally, we make sure the audio setting is on, select Fast Mode in Veo 3.1's mode selection, set our output settings to 9:16 vertical format, 720p video quality, and 8 seconds video duration, and click the Generate button to produce our video. Since the character is in the middle of the starting image, the video didn't turn out exactly as we wanted. But if you start the starting image from the exact same point as the beginning of the video, you can get much higher quality results. You can also choose different production models and resolution options based on your budget throughout the production process. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here is what our finished video looks like.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.